Hey guys, let's talk about singular possessive and plural possessive nouns today. Remember that a possessive noun is going to show ownership. To make the singular form of singular possessive, you simply add an apostrophe S. So if we have workers, the singular possessive is workers. And this would be in the case of the workers' overalls were dirty. If we have team, the team's trophy was lost, we would add apostrophe S. And then singular possessive of students. The student's backpack was purple. We would not use this. This is not simply the plural, such as the students were walking down the hall. It has to demonstrate ownership to be possessive. In order to form the plural possessive, you add an apostrophe after the S to form the possessive. So we would say all of the workers' overalls were dirty. All of the team's buses were late. Several of the students' backpacks were purple. This would be plural possessive. You put the apostrophe after the S. What about when we have a word, a noun such as men or mice or children that in the plural form does not already end in S? They're the irregulars that when they go from singular to plural, they don't just add S or ES. In this case, you add apostrophe and S, similar to the singular possessive. We have apostrophe S to show the men's neckties all matched. Mice's. All of the mice's footprints were in the snow, or children. The children's cookies were delicious. Let's practice.